In April this year, during the peak of the pandemic in Europe, INEOS produced and supplied millions of litres of hand sanitiser to thousands of hospitals around the world, free of charge. Today, global cases of COVID-19 are nearing 15 million, and efforts to combat the virus are ongoing. With lockdowns easing and economies trying to restart, public hygiene has become increasingly important. To meet people's needs, INEOS is producing a new range of hospital-grade sanitiser products, available from today to the public through online and retail outlets.
I think the public do need confidence right now because we're in a transition phase from coming out of lockdown. In order to do that, we need to have hand sanitizer and other sanitizer products available. The active ingredient that INEOS are already making that we're now putting into our products is the best quality ethanol that exists out there. The importance of ethanol is it's the best viricide. It kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. For us, what we're saying is, that we're putting the best quality product into our bottle and providing it to the public. So when you see that INEOS name on a bottle, it is the best of the best.
INEOS is launching its company in collaboration with its sports teams. This weekend, the new brand will be on display at the British Grand Prix, with the INEOS Hygienics name on the Mercedes cars and its drivers. With hygiene and injury prevention being vital to sport and the safe resumption of competition, 6-time double world champions Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team are collaborating with the new INEOS business.
Within Mercedes F1, hygiene has always been a priority, but obviously we needed to step up by quite a few levels after COVID-19 appeared. Thanks to the collaboration with INEOS, we have obviously set a very high new standard to protect our people and therefore protect our championship. We have really utilized the products from INEOS in order to keep the environment as bacteria-free as it possibly can be. We are being given extra confidence by having INEOS Hygienics as our partner, because we know that we have a safe product that we can deploy everywhere in the facilities. The adaptation and innovation that INEOS Hygienics has shown in response to the COVID-19 outbreak is just unbelievable. And this is why we are extremely proud to display the logos of INEOS Hygienics.
The other sports teams in the INEOS family have also been quick to adopt the use of the product.
Hygiene in elite sport is really, really important. I think every team works very, very hard to minimise the avoidable illness or injury, and particularly hours or days lost to training, or in our case, racing. We recognise that touching and passing on illness or virus or bacteria through touch and handling things is very important. We're here at our first race. It's our first race back now for over 10 weeks. Some of the other sports have started a bit earlier, but we've managed to get back to very close to normal. And I think INEOS Hygienics has helped us massively with that. And I'm sure that it can help other people and the general public get back to normal as well.
But the INEOS Hygienics product range goes way beyond elite sports. The new business will produce a range of high-purity sanitizing hand gels, sprays, and surface wipes, all available for consumers. These products have already been introduced into global supply chains. They will be available through online retail outlets, pharmacies, and supermarkets. The product will go on sale in the UK and Germany initially, with France and the USA to follow shortly.
COVID-19 has made the world much more aware of how we need to treat our hygiene and how we do that going forward. INEOS are a really reliable manufacturer, and that is what we do as our bread and butter. We're one of the biggest global manufacturers on the planet. When you look at the healthcare world, we're already producing materials that go into blood bags, IV drips, paracetamol, hand gel, any cleaning products. INEOS are making over 300 different products that have gone into the fight against COVID-19. This product is an extension of what INEOS already do. It's a natural step for us to be able to provide on a huge scale, on a fairly unlimited basis, the hand sanitizer and other products like it that the world will need as we leave our homes, go back to work, kids go back to school, and come out of lockdown.